41 নম্বর কোশ্চেন কি বলছে, নেম দ্য ফার্স্ট এশিয়ান কান্ট্রি টু অরবিট মার্স। এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number D, India, the name of the first Asian country to orbit of Mars. 41 number question, explain there. India is the first Asian nation to reach Mars orbit and the first nation in the world to do so in its first attempt. Its Mars orbit mission, MOM, also called Mongolian, was launched on 5 November 2013 by the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO. It has been orbiting Mars. Next question, 42 number question কি বলছে, ডে অ্যান্ড নাইট আর ইকুয়াল অ্যাট দ্য। এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number D, equator, the day and a night are equal at the. 42 number question, explain there. The equator received to equal to a night throws out the year because it does not tilt and relation to the sun's the location because of the tilt axis of the earth. The poles and location away from the equator line. Two worlds are away from the sun as an orbit is completed while the equator stays the essentially the same location relative to the sun. Next question, 43 number question কি বলছে, in a solar or lunar ellipse the region of earth shadow is divided into। এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number D, three parts. In a solar and lunar ellipse the region of earth shadow is divided into। 43 number question, explain there. An ellipse occurs when a star such as a sun aligns with two celestial bodies such as a planet and a moon. The closer body casts a shadow that increases the more distant body. This means that things get dark. The region of the shadow is divided into an umbra where that light is from the star is completely blocked, and penumbra where only portion of the light is blocked. Beyond the end, the umbra is region is called the antumbra for the observer inside the antumbra of solar ellipse. For example, the moon appears to smaller than the sun to resulting in an annular ellipse. Next question, 44 number question কি বলছে, the total number of planet revolving around the sun is। এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, 8. The total number of planets are revolving around the sun. 44 number question, explain there. There are 8 planets of the solar system that is revolve around the sun. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Pluto was stripped of its planetary status and categorized as a dwarf planet by the International Astronomical Union in 2005. Next question, 45 number question কি বলছে, the darkest portion of the shadow cast during an ellipse is। এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, umbra, the darkest portion of the shadow cast during ellipse is। 45 number question, explain there. The umbra, Latin from the shadow, is the innermost and darkest part of the shadow where the light of source is completely blocked by the occluding body. An observer in the umbra experiences a total ellipse. Next question, 46 number question কি বলছে, when the moon completely covered the sun it is the known as। এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, the umbra, when the moon completely covers the sun it is known as। 46 number question, explain there. A solar ellipse occurs to when the moon crosses the path between the sun and the earth The darkest shadow where the sun is completely covered is called the umbra. The umbra is narrow at the distance of the earth and the total ellipse of the observable only within the narrow strip and land or sea over which the umbra passes. The partial shadow is called penumbra. Next question. 47 number question কি বলছে a spinning neutron star is known as এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, pulsar. The spinning of neutron star is known as. 47 number question explain there. Pulsar are spinning neutron star that is have jets of particles moving to almost the speed of light of streaming out above to their magnetic poles. This is jet produced very powerful beams of light. Next question. 48 number question explain there. Which is planet do not to have to satellite and revolving the around them? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, Mercury and Venus. Which is planet do not to have satellite revolving around them? Next. 48 number question explain there. Of the 9 planets, only Venus and Mercury have no known natural satellites. A total of 139 moons on natural satellite can be found the western solar system. Next question. 49 number question কি বলছে which of the following is a called blue planet? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, Earth. Which of the following is called as blue planet? 49 number question explain there. Earth is the blue planet because of the vast encompass of ocean on its surface. From space, the ocean combined with a atmosphere makes the planet look blue. The abundance of the water on Earth's surface is a unique feature that distinguishes the blue planet from other in the solar system. Next question. 50 number question কি বলছে supernova is এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, an exploding star. Supernova is. 50 number question explain there. A supernova is a stellar explosion that is more energetic than a nova. During its shortest interval, a supernova can radiate as much energy as the sun is expected to emit over the entire life of the span. The explosion expels much or all of star and material at a velocity of up to 13,000 km per second, 10% of the speed of light.